Hey guys, KHAI here from Telco and welcome back to your channel. I recently attended a big Huawei event. It's actually a product launch in Bangkok, Thailand, about a week and a half ago, and it was something alright. So big shout out to Huawei for sponsoring the trip and getting me to travel again. It has been 3 years since COVID started. So Huawei launched a few products. Different products were launched altogether for different regional markets. Singapore had a total of 5 devices that got launched. What are the 5 products, you ask? They are the Huawei MateBook X Pro, their flagship laptop, Huawei MatePad Pro 11, the flagship tablet, Huawei MateBook D16, the entry-level 16-inch laptop, and 16S, the one that they have made specially for creators like me. And lastly, it's the free Buds Pro, true wireless earbuds. Yes, these devices, they are definitely eye-catching, but the 3 that stood out for me are the MateBook Pro X, the 16S, and the Mate Pro 11 tablet. Now, the MateBook X Pro is the highest end of Huawei's laptop line. Crazy high specs, if you are talking specs about this current age. Size-wise, it is a 14.1-inch laptop. Resolution 3.1K, nice bright display with DCI P3 color gamut. Crisp sharpness at 264 ppi. Not a super high refresh rate, but it is sitting on 90 Hz, which is not as bad. And to put the cherry on top, the screen, it is a touch screen. And to make all the sweeter is the multiple ports. Yep, dual Thunderbolt ports, meaning you can run this laptop on either a single 8K monitor or a dual 4K monitor. Damn Huawei, it's just awesome. The one thing that caught my eye isn't so much about the specs, but rather the cool gestures that they implemented on their trackpad. As far as I know, Apple is the only brand that has cool gestures on their trackpad because, well, you know, these things are all baked into the OS. You know what I'm talking about is those 3-finger swipe and a 4-finger swipe and switch desktops, those things all done via the trackpad. So for Huawei to run Windows 11 and having these cool gestures is rather new to me because I don't really know of any other products who does the same thing. What are some of these gestures? They are knocking twice to take a screenshot, knocking with 2 knuckles to start a screen recording, swiping 2 fingers to the right to bring up the notification center, and there's a lot more. But unfortunately, I do not have the Mate X Pro to do a full review on it. But as a flagship laptop, all I can say is that it does have a lot of promise. The other laptop is the 16S, which is another 16-inch laptop. And this one, it is created mainly for creators. And I do have a unit here. This is going to be reviewed. So what you can do to prepare is to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification button, and get notified when that video launches. Now, the specs on the 16S is obviously not as high as a Mate X Pro, but it does have some which surpasses the Mate X Pro. For example, the webcam. This one, it is on Full HD 1080p, whereas the Mate X Pro is only on 720p. This also has nice screen panel, but it lacks that maximum brightness, which is only at 300 nits. The one on Mate X Pro, it sits on 500 nits. It doesn't have any DCI P3 color gamut, but it does have 100% sRGB color coverage. Resolution-wise, 2520 by 1680. The processor on this is top of the line, 12th gen i9 processor. Super fast, nice. Hybrid multiple ports all around. 2 times USB-C, one of which is a Thunderbolt port. You also got 2 old school USB-A 3.2 ports, and you can find a HDMI port there too. Not the best, but you can definitely admit that having a hybrid of current ports as well as old school ports, it makes this laptop rather versatile and flexible. So again, stay tuned for that review. It's coming out very soon. The last product that stood out is none other than the Mate Pro 11 tablet. This is akin to Apple's iPad Pro M1, and from my observation as well as listening to the keynote, this tablet is mainly focused on creatives who deal a lot in fine arts. Those who love to doodle, those who love to draw, and color and come out with super nice art. This tablet, it is an 11-inch tablet. It comes with OLED real color Huawei full view display, 92% screen to body ratio, and battery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Also, it has DCI P3 color gamut coverage, love the weight, less than half a kilogram. It also comes with an upgraded 2nd gen pencil, where creatives can even do things like color picking, can expand their artist canvas, so to speak. The other cool thing about this tablet is that it plays seamlessly well with all other Huawei products such as the laptop as well as the phone. Yep, you can use this tablet as a second screen, or if you do not want, you can move files in between the tablet, the laptop as well as the phone seamlessly, fluidly. And I guess that's what other brands should be doing too. I mean, if you have products of the same brand, you have to implement this kind of functionalities, right? I mean, it only makes sense that you can move things around within the ecosystem. Brands, you should do the same. Alright, so that does it for the video. I just want to say a big thank you again to Huawei for making my first overseas trip ever since COVID possible. I had a great time. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.